Ever wondered if your beer hobby could buy you a supercar? Hey there, future brewmaster millionaire. Stay till the end, and I'll show you 3 ways to actually make this crazy dream happen, legally. An Aston Martin DB11 costs $250,000. That's not pocket change. That's sell your house money. Let's break it down. Average craft beer profit, about $3 per bottle after costs. At $3 profit per bottle, you need to brew. Wait for it. 83,333 bottles. That's 6,944 cases, or enough beer to fill an Olympic swimming pool twice. But wait, start a microbrewery. Average revenue, $500,000 per year. After taxes and expenses, you could have a net income of $100,000 per year. Drop a beer emoji if you're ready to start brewing. What's your favorite craft beer? Uncle Sam wants his cut. Federal excise tax, $3.50 per barrel. State taxes, up to 20% more. After all, taxes, your $3 profit becomes $1.80. Now we need 139,000 bottles. Solution? Get a brew pub license. Sell direct to customers. Skip the middleman. Triple your margins. Sam Adams started in a kitchen, now worth $2.5 billion. Dogfish Head started with $200 Kelvin, sold for $300 million. Smash that, like if you're feeling inspired. Your support keeps these crazy calculations coming. Brewing 139,000 bottles at home, that's 38 bottles daily for 10 years, your liver and neighbors will hate you. By the time you finish, the DB11 will be a vintage model, and you'll be too old to enjoy it. Real solution? Scale smart. Find investors, hire a team, create a unique brand. Year 1, revenue, $500,000. Year 3, $2 million. Year 5, Aston Martin money. Bottom line, 139,000 bottles, or build a brewery empire in 5 years. Dream big, brew bigger.